The square one's my old fan, and the oval one is the new one. The oval one claims to be whisper quiet. Let's see. Here's the old fan. And about 60. Here's a new fan. It's a little louder, and I was really hoping to get something that was quieter.
Look, girl, I'm writing a review right now.
Alright, I've had this for about 2 months now, I think. And I came back after a day of being gone. And suddenly, I did that. I held the button for like 10 seconds and it started smoking. So, I'm terrified of this thing. It must be a faulty product, but I want a replacement or it's a 1-star.
Alrighty. This is a new little space heater that I got. I had got a different one here just a short time ago and really liked it. Gave it to my daughter and immediately found out that the wife wanted to know why I didn't give it to her. This is for her. Okay. This one is really light, easy to move around, puts out plenty of heat in a short amount of time. Okay. And I mean, it starts putting out heat like in about 10 seconds. So, plenty of heat. It's small because my daughter and my wife both like to put the heaters under their desk there to keep their feet warm. I don't know. But anyway, she wants it. She's going to get it. This is hers. So, if you got a lady with cold feet, get her one of these. She'll love you. So, there you go. 5 stars. You need to get one of these. Price is good. Quality is good.